So today we're going to mount one of these timers onto the heat lamp. We're going to use just a regular electrical box, and then to reduce the stress we're going to use one of these. It just screws right in, and then the top screws, and you can see it will tighten over the cord to keep the cord from pulling out. And then we're going to mount that right where that yellow box goes. To start, we're actually going to remove this screw right here and that screw, which will open up where the wires are. So you can see inside the box here we have your loads. Right here's your black wire, and then over here all this is just connecting your secondary wire, and here's your ground. So what we'll do is leave this connected, and then we're going to take this, and these are going to go in the in and out of our switch. So I took the yellow box apart, and this is the main wire that's actually going to plug in. You can see the plug in there. This is the stress reliever part, just broken down. You slide each of them through, and then we're actually going to slide it inside one of these sides here and pop it through and then tighten everything down. So I've connected the ground wire there, and now we're going to have to knock out this hole and that hole with the drill, and then we'll also end up screwing it in right here. Then we'll be connecting the white wires just with an actual wire nut, and this black ones with the actual connection we will end up putting onto the back of our switch here. You can see there's the gold screws down there. On both sides you're going to install those screws, and then right there the wire's going to go inside there, and you'll tighten the screws down over the wires, and that'll provide the circuit. So you can see here's the final product. We have our two wires connected to the switch. Our other wires are connected with the wire nut. Now we're just going to put all that inside there, screw it on with the two screws, and then put our timer switch on there. So here is the final product. You can see we have our cord going in one end, and then our switch, and turn it past. When it's past and it's clicking, it's going to have the heat lamp on. As soon as it turns off, it's going to disconnect the circuit and turn off the heat lamp.